Hey everyone, Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. I'm working on this unit here. Is one of our retail spaces for my commercial building. Let's take a look at what I'm doing today. Okay, this is the inside of it. We just rented this space to a woman who's doing vintage women's clothing and refill. She's refilling products that she buys in bulk, and people bring their containers over, and she fills those up. So this is the front room. Then we have a bathroom that goes here, and then a little work area right here, back room. So what I'm doing, I'm patching holes in the wall and cleaning up the walls for all the holes. And I also did some electrical work. I brought in a new power line right there, and I'm upgrading that. So these holes, there's just some basic sheetrock work that needs to be done, like up here. So I'm gonna clean all that stuff up. Take a look up here. Okay. Let me move outside because there's a big old echo inside there. So why am I doing this myself? Because this whole building here doesn't pencil out. The only way for me to make it pencil, make it work, is that I do the work myself. And at least that's how I feel about it, to get it to the quality I want it. And that's what I've been doing. Been pretty successful so far. We have, let me show you what we have so far. Okay, so this is gonna be the vintage women's clothing. And these guys do storage wars. So they resell things they buy from mini storages. This is a furniture gallery. It's an Instagram business. Well, all these are Instagram businesses. And then right here is two younger vintage clothing stores. It's t-shirts and things like that. They lift up those roll-up doors, and they operate. Okay, and then I have my two corporate housing furnished rentals upstairs. And then in this section here, this big area here is kind of my staging area. And I'm going to be selling window advertisements along here because we have a boulevard and some good traffic count. So that's my update. That's what I'm working on. If you want to know more about how I do it, just send me an email. I'm happy to tell you about it. These are all examples of what I wrote about in my book, 40 Ways to Increase the Net Income of Your Rental Property. I'm using the ideas that I shared there in real life, and you could use them too, make a lot of money, or make something that wouldn't be profitable on its own traditionally. You make that into something that's profitable. Okay, check it out. Leave a comment below if you have some questions. Talk to you later.